Hello, today we will guide you through how to contact Zara customer service. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Zara mobile app and show you the most direct path to reach support. Before we begin, make sure your device is connected to the internet and that the Zara app is updated to the latest version. If you have an order question, it helps to have your order number and any tracking info handy. First, open the Zara app on your phone or tablet. If prompted, sign in so support can see your recent purchases and save details. The home screen may showcase collections or promotions. That's fine. Everything we need is available from your account area. Next, tap on Account. On iOS and Android, this is usually at the bottom of the screen, labeled Account or represented by a person icon. The Account section gathers your profile, orders, addresses, and support options all in one place, so it's the best starting point when you need help. From here, tap Beyond Help. This section contains FAQs, return and exchange policies, delivery information, and guidance for common issues. Browsing these articles can be quicker than waiting for a response, especially for topics like return windows, store availability, or payment methods. Now scroll down and look for Contact Us. It may appear near the end of the help list or within a support or customer care area. Take your time and scroll steadily. App layouts can vary slightly by region and updates. If you don't immediately see it, try expanding any categories or using the search bar within Help. When you find it, tap on Contact Us. This opens Zara's official support channels in your region. Depending on availability, you may see real-time chat, a request form, or other contact methods. Review any hours of operation shown and consider the option that best fits your issue. For order-specific questions, referencing your order number keeps the conversation efficient. A few quick tips before you finish. If the page doesn't load, refresh the app or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data. Screenshots of error messages can help you explain the problem clearly. Keep notifications on temporarily so you don't miss a reply from chat or a follow-up message. And if you resolve the issue using a help article, you can simply back out without contacting support. That's it. You've opened the Zara app, gone to Account, entered Help, scrolled to Contact Us, and accessed the official customer service options.